Mark Hunter here, DAF Distributors Ireland. We've recently acquired 22 2020 DAF CF space cabs from a very loyal customer, which have been out on contract hire with us for the past 4.5 years. They've been maintained with us from scratch to a very high standard. As you can see from this particular 2000 space cab, it comes with space cab skylights, full air deflector kit and side skirts. They have 12-speed AS-tronic fully automatic gearboxes, safety features such as forward collision warning, advanced braking systems, etc. The mileage on these vehicles varies from 650 to 750,000 kilometres. The vehicles will come with a manufacturer's warranty, various finance options available. They are ready for sale. Contact us, DAF Distributors Ireland, for more information.